This is what it looks like. This is the packaging for youth juice, so it comes in a nice box. Tells you how to use it on the side, so be sure to read that part. No silicones, no alcohol, no oils, no added fragrance, and it's vegan. These are the key ingredients that actually set this apart from everything else. It has picogenol, which is a powerful antioxidant known to slow down collagen loss and protect elastin. Amla extract, known to preserve collagen and reduce follicle shrinking. It has caffeine, arginine, and niacinamide. It helps stimulate scalp circulation and boost elasticity. It has also synthetic collagen, which moisturizes and mimics natural collagen. So this is what's actually rebuilding the collagen level. And Procopil, which is an ingredient that's in the Curl Wow Hook shampoo. And oddly enough, it's in the Money Mask. I'm not sure why it's in that, but it's in there. But it's a patented ingredient or a patented product that helps anchor hair at the root to reduce shedding. So it kind of anchors that hair in on your scalp. And you can just see it when you open it like that, you just pull this little cover out and it just is inside here. Be careful now, this is in a glass bottle. I had to switch the camera around just so I can get the top of my head. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I take this liquid and I'm just gonna like dab it in here. You can see I'm just dabbing it. I'm not really pressing hard on the dropper. You can see I haven't really used a ton yet. Now, one thing to know about this, it is not really greasy. It's wet. You can feel the wetness, but it's not greasy feeling at all. Let me just get the back of my head. See, I still have quite a bit left. Doesn't really smell like much. I think it's fragrance free, but I can tell a little faint fragrance, but nothing major. Nothing that's offensive. Now, one thing to notice, I just came out of the shower and my hair was, well, by the time I made this video, it was dry. So it's going to wet it a little bit, but it doesn't leave it stiff or sticky. And I hardly use much. But this is really all that's to this as far as doing a daily regimen. I recommend putting it someplace where you'll be able to do it every day and where you won't forget. So it's real important to be consistent. But it couldn't have been easier to do. I mean, it didn't require any drying, and actually it's pretty much dry now, or just slightly damp. But you can do this on damp hair or dry hair, anytime, day or night. I think it's better if you do it right after your shampoo at night. That way your scalp is clean, it's gonna have maximum absorption. And so this is day one of the test. So we'll see, we'll make another one of these in 30 days. I have high hopes this is gonna be amazing. So what do you think? Are you gonna try this? If you have any kind of signs of thinning, hair loss, if you're over the age of 25, you should be on something like this, because that's what the experts say is when you start losing your collagen levels is at age 25. So it starts to diminish. And, you know, depending on whether you're in the sun a lot or, you know, other factors, you know, some people lose the collagen faster than others. But it's just like your skin. You know, your skin requires collagen, and I have other things to help with that for my skin, but you know, if you care about your skin, you should definitely care about your scalp, because it's 6 times more likely to lose collagen on your scalp than on your face, because the sun's always beating down on it. At least I think that's one of the major factors. And so when you have collagen depletion, it actually starts to deplete the collagen that actually the hair follicle is made up of. So when that depletes, the hair starts getting, you know, thinner, more stiff and brittle, and then eventually it just starts shedding to the point where it's not going to grow anymore. So that's why a lot of people start losing massive amounts of hair. You know, some through postpartum hair loss, some through, you know, genetics. You know, there's a lot of different things. Stress. If you want to keep your scalp as healthy as possible, then you should be using something like this product, because there's nothing else on the market that is like this. Everything that Collagen has made thus far is innovative. Quite a few things have been revolutionary, game-changing products. And so far, everything that they produce, you know, with Gail Federici and Dr. Cincotta, everything's been a winner. When you look at Dream Coat, when you look at Money Mist, Collagen Root Cover-Up, I mean, extra large bombshell volumizer. I mean, these are just major top selling products that are just game changers. And they haven't made a bad product yet, so I have no reason to believe they're going to start with this. So if you're a skeptic, don't be, because this is a winner. So if you have questions, put a comment below. You know, let me know if you're going to try this. Once you get on the challenge with me. My wife is on it as well, and quite a lot of my clients have already bought this. So my hairstylists are using this for themselves. I have one that bought actually 6 of them, because she just wants to have a supply of it so that she doesn't run out in case we sell out, which, you know, happened with Money Mist. Get yours now. It's available. Ask your stylist, ask your salons. Give them the chance first, and if not, it's available another online. And but give your stylist a chance to get it, because they know your hair best, and they can kind of, you know, watch over your hair as you're using it. So thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Please like this video and share it if you've got value out of this, or if you know somebody that's experiencing hair loss and this might help them. But I'm going to continue to make videos and kind of give you updates. I'm going to at least do one every 30, 60, 90 days and beyond. I feel like, you know, we have a better chance of seeing some difference in 30-day periods rather than, you know, maybe every few days or weekly. I'm not that optimistic we're going to see results that quickly. But if I start seeing something, I might make a video and show my results. Hope you enjoy this.